This is Nikki Terry Style, and today we're thrifting. Almost like the holy trinity of thrift stores today. Today could actually end up being like quite a huge thrift day because I've taken a little bit of an excursion up to Maryland, and since I've like driven, out of my way, I'm kind of hoping to like hit this pocket of 4 possibly thrift stores that are all in this area, but we'll see how the day goes. I'm actually here at my first stop, which is the Salvation Army, because it's supposed to be their big sale day. I think it's 50% off everything in the stores. Let's just get in and go check out this sale and see how it goes. Okay, so it's 50% off all clothing today. So that works for me because that's really what I'm going to be shopping for. Linen, just super nice. I already have something like it, but this is only $3 on sale. Dude, I'm not sure it's my style, but like the little embroidery on it is adorable, and like it's in beautiful condition. It's like brand new. Daniel Rand, I don't know, but this sweater just made me like long for winter. It looks so soft and cozy. There's a couple of skirts I thought were cute, like on trend. This little houndstooth tennis skirt. Like the pleating and the pattern on it are so cute. And this one I love. This is like the slip skirt trend, but it's actually lined, but it doesn't have a lot of structure. It's still very flowy, but it's actually lined, so you can actually wear it. Sometimes the slip skirt thing is actually really hard to do because everything is see-through. Look at this cute vintage little bomber sweatshirt. Look at this cute little dress. This is incredible. It's vintage or homemade or both, but the little belt. It would be way too small for me, but it's so cute. And just a couple of like bright and tailored dresses. I'm just not sure about the silhouette on me, so I'm gonna go like in front of a mirror and sort of like take a look at how it might look. Those are $5 each. I'm thinking about doing a DIY of an H&M style that I've seen. I'll put a picture here. And like, you see these sleeveless sweaters all the time, so just cut it into a V-neck. This one has like a gold thread through it. And there's a light blue one. And these are like $2 each. A little vintage Liz Claiborne cable net. How cute. Okay, I was about to leave when I realized that the fitting rooms are open, so I'm gonna try a couple things. This silk blouse I love. I think it might be a little too small, and I'm definitely seeing a couple of stains that would have to come out. These are not the easiest to find, but not impossible either, so I could just hold off and see if I find another one. There's this sweater tank top. $2. I'm gonna get it. It's a little like gold thread in it. This is a Zara cropped sweater. $4. That's a go. Okay, here's one of those Ann Taylor dresses that are $5. Whew. I just don't like this silhouette on me. I don't really like this top. This is the other one. Like, I just like the colors and the prints are so fun, and it's like a light cotton dress, but don't think I'm gonna get it. I think if it had pockets, I would just get it and then like plan to wear it just as a skirt. You know, put a sweater or a tee over the top, but since it doesn't have pockets, I don't know. I'm kind of thinking like maybe I just pass. Yeah. Okay, I think on to the next stop. Let's keep the thrifting going. I'm at Goodwill. I am so excited. This is a store I have been wanting to check out. I don't know what to expect. We're actually back in DC, and so I think every area kind of has like a different style of donations that they receive. So let's go check out this Goodwill. Okay, so I walked in and they have one of those racks that they pull like a boutique where they pull like the best items sitting up front, and that's usually not a good sign when Goodwill does that. But I'm just starting the dresses and see what I can find. I just found one dress kind of, but like it has like a space between the buttons, so like you have to wear it over something automatically, so I don't think so, but it's a cute little vintage Donna Rico in plus size, and I am seeing a lot of plus size over there, which is awesome. I'm also seeing a lot of jumpsuits. Like, look at this one I found right away. This is 100% genuine leather mini skirt. It's actually like knee length, but yeah. And I can't believe they didn't grab it and mark it up, and it has pockets. I'm gonna try this for sure. All right, we did Salvation Army, we did Goodwill, and now we're at Value Village. So it's almost like the holy trinity of thrift stores today. I know that's sort of sacrilege to say, please don't come for me. So let's go check out Value Village, I'm excited. My cart's still empty, but I just went through some of the blouses, and I definitely saw like quite a bit of vintage in there, so I'm gonna go to the dresses. I'm kind of excited to see what they have. Not a lot of luck in the dresses so far, but I saw this and just thought of like the runway trends for fall with the like red statement dresses. And this one has like one shoulder thing, which is also pretty trendy right now. It'd be so dramatic. Like, can you imagine work from home in this? Okay, so who knows how much longer like tie-dye is going to be super on trend, but look at these two. If you need me, I'm going to be retiring to the beaches of Miami with my two muumuus. Just looking extra every day. Can my tube top rainbow jumpsuit come too? This is worth way more than $10. Come on. Okay, so I definitely need someone here to talk me out of buying this vintage Liz Claiborne dress with an adorable button and bow back. And it's plus size. It's a size 16, which is my size. Like, where am I gonna wear this? Something I've been thinking that I really want to thrift is like a cute set. It actually could look like a lot of different things, so I really kind of need to narrow it down more like what I actually want. So I'll show you the ones that I found here because they're like widely varied but cute. to are like the style that I've seen other YouTubers thrift. Like a very sweet 90s / Y2K look. And you know my girl Liz Claiborne has got them. You know, I love Liz. She always puts pockets on things. I need to decide if I'm going to get that set with the pants because it's so cute. I don't want to leave it behind. And then like I got just enough left in me to go to this last store today. So let's go. Okay, I've got that golden hour light going on right now. I just really need to capture it. Okay, we're at the final stop for the day. This is called a Village thrift store. We're back in Maryland. I've never been here before. It looks pretty big, like warehouse size. My phone is dying, so I'm plugged in while I'm here in the car, but once I go into the store, I'm not gonna have much battery left. So I am going to try to like film just some highlights of this store, little snippets instead of like a whole thrift with me. And I think that'll work out because there's just going to be so much thrifting in this video as it is that hopefully that'll work out just fine. And let's go check out what they've got. I'm excited. This store's pretty great. I've seen so many vintage blouses. I'm just going to like show you really quick all of the little vintage blouses I picked up. This one. Love this too, but I think it's too small. These little baddies. So cute, they're like a size too small. Oh my god, look, it's a set. I found the skirt over with the skirts. I like want to put them together so someone will buy them both. I also found an Anthropologie skirt, new with tags. This is a Tory Burch jumpsuit. It has some like really bad staining on it. But like this one is pretty cute. It's all like Scandinavian kind of. $10. Here's a set for you. Look at this orange satin skirt set. It's a half off tag. So if it would fit me, I would totally get this and just change the buttons on the top, and then like even just wearing the skirt, you would get so much use out of it. Wouldn't fit me though. Okay, I think this set with a mini skirt looks really cute. I think that's the kind of key to making it not look like frumpy, but too small for me. I also love this one with the little houndstooth print. Also too small. Well, that was a little bit of Village Thrift. I have to say that was my favorite store that I went to today. I obviously closed it down. It's like dark out now, so it was a full day of thrifting and I didn't have enough time in there. So I'm gonna come back to the store for sure. That one was just probably my favorite for their selection. I'm ready to go home. I'm gonna have to like wash everything and get it ready to haul, but I will show you everything that I got and do a try on like as time permits. This one is my favorite thing that I thrifted today. I got this blouse for $3 at the last store at Village Thrift. This little bodysuit from H&M I got for $4 at the Value Village, and as you can see I just chopped off the bottom because I'm just not a bodysuit person, but I loved the neckline and the ribbing. Like, I'm kind of a sucker for ribbing detail. I just think it looks like a little bit like that 90s vibe, which is really fun, and this one's cute. I like it how I cropped it. I picked up this Zara dress. It was new with tags. And I have to say, I've tried a handful of white dresses this year and have not found a way for me personally to wear one that doesn't make me think that I look like I'm in a cult of some kind. So I'm actually pleasantly surprised that this one is really cute, I think. This leather skirt, I am so excited. It's 100% leather, it's a knee length, and it fits me like a dream. Like, it's perfect. And it has pockets. So it's 100% leather, but it wasn't marked up at all, which is kind of unlike Goodwill. They love to, you know, pick out the best stuff and charge you for it. But it wasn't marked up at all, so I got it for like $6.99. Here's another Zara piece at the Salvation Army. This one was not new with tags, but it's a new edition, and I think I got it for $6. But I am a sucker for black and white stripes. If you haven't already realized that, you will as time goes on. And I have a personal rule that I'm like allowed to buy as many black and white striped pieces as I like when I see them. So I really don't try to stop myself, even though I kind of already have so much in my wardrobe. This is like a go-to look for me. And I'm wearing it with that leather skirt, which is so cute. I got this little cropped embroidered blouse at Goodwill. I think it was a long sleeve, so I think $5.99. It has this wrap style, and I apologize in advance because it's not sitting quite right on me. The button is like way up here, which is not quite right. It needs to be like right there-ish. So I've got to move the button, so I'm not trying to flash you. Okay, so if you saw me when I was in Value Village, you saw that I was trying to either talk myself into or out of buying this vintage Liz Claiborne dress, and obviously it did come home with me. Here's the problem, I'm home alone right now, so I can't fully button up the back of it, but I'll show you. What I want to do is try it on backwards because the back of it is so much cuter than the front, so I'm actually going to flip it around so I will be able to button it all the way up. So we'll see how that goes. Look how darling this is. It is a vintage 16, so it's a little snug on me. Wearable either way, so a reversible dress maybe? 2-in-1, oh yes. Thank you, Elsie. You guys know I've been obsessed with sweater tank tops. I got this one that has like a little gold thread in it, and I cut the neckline. I'll show you before and after here. I did buy this lime green dress. I just thought it was too cool to leave behind. I snagged that Anthropologie skirt. I did bring this set home with me. I just thought this was way too cute, like a vintage to leave behind. That's it. That's it. So I think that was a pretty good haul today, actually. I'm really excited about everything that I brought home. So thank you so much for thrifting with me today, and I had so much fun actually styling everything up and seeing how I'm going to be wearing these pieces in the near future. So I hope you got some good style inspiration too, and it was so much fun today. Thank you for watching, and we'll do it again soon. Oh, my hair today. Plus I've been cutting it myself all this year since, you know, 2020 is fun like that. 2020 is the year of DIY, like hair, nails, everything. DIY. Excuse you, hair. I am trying with my hair today. It's just, it's not having it. It's not doing anything. Oh, I think I got it. Okay, just zhuzh and leave it. We'll just call it a style. Okay. If you haven't noticed already, you'll see me wearing them a lot as time goes by. Not that. Need editor bra. Go up. I need better bras in my life. Especially this angle downward, it just like really makes my boobs look like they're just sagging to the ground. Good, I'm glad I'm recording all this so I can have that.